Hey folks, it's Miss Rogers. I thought I'd give you for those of you that are new to me, a brief overview of how to get into my stuff. So maybe you've figured it out, some of you are still confused. So when you click on Canvas, you go to the Home button. So we're on the left-hand side, and it's going to open up this page. It says fourth 6 weeks geometry. It says 2001, got a nice little graphic. You're going to first do the daily check-in. That's your that's your attendance for today. And then your tutorials from 3 to 4. And then Unit 8 is what we're on currently. So you would click on Unit 8 to get to your assignments. Now, most of you, if you have asked me to go back and get your previous grades from last week, I've done that. If you want me to go back and get your previous grades from your previous teacher, I can do that. For the most part, I need you to do the minor grades priority. If you do the practice grades, that's great. I want you to do that. Okay, sorry about that. I had a call I had to take. So back to where we were talking, you need to do the minor grades. Now I've listed up at minor grade out beside them. These are the grades that are a combination of all the practice grades. At Pythagorean theorem, there were 2 practice grades and 1 minor grade that combines them. And then you have 2 practice grades on specials, and then you have a combination on specials. Then you have the vocabulary quiz. Since the 11th was kind of a snow day, I took it off. Then we have the word problem practice, the Unit 8 quiz, the test review, and the Unit 8 test. So those are all the things going so far. Hope you enjoyed it and got some of your questions answered. If you have any more questions, feel free to call, text, or email me.